नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to continue delirium poisons. In previous session, we discussed about cannabis and datura. Today we'll start with cocaine. It is obtained from the leaves of Erythroxylum coca, which grows wild in South America, India, Java. It is colorless, odorless, crystalline substance with bitter taste and also known as Coke, Snow, Cadillac, White Lady, Crack, Pasta, Bazooka, and Speedball. Crack is prepared by combining cocaine with baking soda and water, which is suitable for smoking. It is also used as local anesthetics. The active ingredients are eggonine, hygrine, and cinnamyl cocaine. The leaves contain about 0.5 to 1% of cocaine. It acts by decreasing the sensitivity of the terminal nerves and causes vasoconstriction at the site of application. It is a powerful stimulant of CNS for a short time, followed by depression. The euphoric effect is subjected to the release of dopamine, serotonin, and other neurotransmitters. On inhalation, it acts within 1 to 3 minutes, and when used IV or smoked, its action appears within seconds, and peak action is in 3 to 5 minutes. When applied topically to the nasal mucosa, it peaks in 20 to 30 minutes. When ingested orally, it peaks within 60 to 90 minutes. Its action is short, and as such, it has to be taken every half to 1 hour to maintain a high. Symptoms appear in two stages. The stage of excitement, where in gastrointestinal tract it produces bitter taste, dryness of the mouth, dysphagia. On the mental faculty, the patient feels well with loss of depression and fatigue. The patient may be excited, restless, and talkative, but becomes calm and dull later. The patient may have hallucinations and mania may develop. Affecting the central nervous system produces headache. The reflexes are exaggerated and there may be tremors or convulsions. There is often a feeling of tingling or numbness in the hands and feet and a numb feeling at the place where the drug has touched. For example, nose and back of throat when it has been sniffed. On cardiopulmonary system, it produces tachycardia with tachypnea and the respiration is deep. It produces hypertension that may cause cerebral bleeding. Pupils become dilated and on skin there is paleness, cyanosis, sweating and the temperature is raised. Then it produces a stage of depression. Within a half hour or even less, respiration becomes feeble with profuse perspiration. Patient may collapse or may develop convulsions and death that may occur due to respiratory failure, cardiac failure, or vascular collapse. Rupture of aneurysm may occur. Large doses or a binge may result in anxiety and panic, leading to paranoia. Its use may cause fetal death or abortion if used during pregnancy. Its use can also result into premature delivery or child may suffer from developmental, behavioral, and learning problems. Speedball, a combination of cocaine and heroin taken by injection, is called speedball. It may cause death suddenly and unexpectedly during or immediate after a struggle. Cocaine habit, cocainomania, or cocainophagia. It is a chronic condition where there is intense, irresistible craving for cocaine. Addicts take its repeated dose to keep them high and to avoid the crash. It is also used with the other drugs like alcohol, tranquilizers, or heroin to increase its effect. Abusers can tolerate up to 10 grams of per day dose. Its signs and symptoms in case of chronic abusing. It produces emaciation, anorexia, digestive disturbances, significant loss of libido, impotence, gynecomastia, telectoria, and abnormality in menstrual cycle in women and infertility. Face is pale with sunken eyes, dilated pupils. Tongue and teeth becomes black with ulceration of nasal septum due to sniffing. Degeneration of central nervous system with hallucinations, convulsions, and delirium may occur. Megan syndrome or cocaine bug. Usually this condition is present in cocaine addict. It is a type of tactile hallucination which is characterized by feeling as if there is a grain of sands are lying under the skin or small insects are creeping on the skin giving rise to itching sensation. The fatal dose is 1 grams orally. Procaine is about half as toxic as cocaine. Fatal period is few minutes to few hours. Treatment. In case of ingestion, gastric lavage should be done with warm water having potassium permanganate, charcoal or tannic acid. If sniffled, wash the mucosa membrane with water. If injected, apply a ligature above the injected part. Chloroform or short-acting barbiturates to control convulsions. Amyl nitrate as antidote by inhalation. Airway should be protected. Circulation is to be corrected. Thiamine 100 mg IV. And symptomatic treatment. On postmortem finding, cocaine decomposes very rapidly, so blood should be preserved by adding fluoride. Brain is analyzed as it is not hydrolyzed into benzoylecogene as in blood. Cocaine can be recovered from recent injection sites or by swabs from the nasal mucosa. The signs of postmortem finding are suggestive of asphyxia, pulmonary congestion, and edema of lungs weighing 3 to 4 times of its normal weight. Heart may show foci of scarring. Medico-legally, it is rarely used for homicidal or suicidal purpose. Accidental cases may occur from addiction. It is used as an aphrodisiac. Prostitutes inject cocaine solution into vagina to produce local constriction. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.